Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on January 9th and 10th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Law Enforcement Day. National Law Enforcement Appreciation Day, LEAD, is observed annually on January 9th in the United States. It's a day set aside to recognize and honor the service and sacrifices of law enforcement officers, including local police, sheriffs, state troopers, and federal agents. This observance provides an opportunity for citizens to show their support for the men and women who take significant risks to ensure public safety and maintain order. Communities often show appreciation through thank you notes, wearing blue, participating in fundraisers, and other activities aimed at expressing gratitude and recognizing the often challenging and dangerous work law enforcement officers perform. The day encourages a deeper understanding and respect for the law enforcement profession. It serves as a reminder of the critical role law enforcement plays in maintaining peace and security, enforcing the rule of law, and providing aid during emergencies. National Law Enforcement Appreciation Day promotes unity and respect between the community and law enforcement personnel, highlighting the importance of cooperation, respect, and gratitude in fostering a safer society for all. National Apricot Day. National Apricot Day is celebrated annually on January 9th in the United States, dedicating a moment in the heart of winter to appreciate the sweet and tart flavor of apricots. This day is a delightful reminder of the summer warmth, celebrating the apricot's rich history and versatility in culinary uses. Apricots, known for their vibrant orange color and velvety skin, are enjoyed across the world in various forms, whether fresh, dried, or as a part of numerous sweet and savory dishes. They are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a healthy choice for a snack or ingredient. The celebration of National Apricot Day may involve savoring apricot jams, pies, tarts, or enjoying the dried fruits as a snack. It's also an opportunity for food enthusiasts and chefs to experiment with new recipes and share their creations. Apricots have a long history, believed to have originated in China, and later spreading to the Persian Empire and the Mediterranean. They have been cultivated for thousands of years. On this day, people are encouraged to explore the fruit's rich cultural significance, try out new apricot recipes, or simply enjoy some delicious apricot treats while reflecting on the sweet simplicity and nutritional benefits of this beloved fruit. Balloon Ascension Day. Balloon Ascension Day is celebrated annually on January 9th, marking a tribute to the first manned balloon flight in the United States. This day commemorates the pioneering ascent made by French aeronaut Jean-Pierre Blanchard in 1793, who took off in a hydrogen gas balloon from the prison yard of the Walnut Street Jail in Philadelphia and landed safely in Gloucester County, New Jersey. This historic event captured the imaginations of people across the country and represents the adventurous spirit of early aviation, celebrating the human desire to explore and conquer the skies. The day is an homage to the evolution of ballooning from those early days of adventure and discovery to its current status as a popular activity for sightseeing and competitive sports. Balloon Ascension Day might be celebrated by ballooning enthusiasts and history buffs alike, with activities including educational events about the history of ballooning, gatherings of hot air balloon enthusiasts, and even balloon ascension events where people can watch or participate in hot air balloon flights. It's a day to appreciate the beauty and excitement of flying in the open air, the technological advancements that have made modern ballooning safer and more accessible, and the enduring human fascination with taking to the skies. Houseplant Appreciation Day. Houseplant Appreciation Day, celebrated annually on January 10th, is a day set aside to recognize the benefits of houseplants and to give them the care and attention they deserve. It's a time for plant enthusiasts and novices alike to celebrate the joy and beauty that these green companions bring into our homes. Houseplants are more than just decorative. They're known to improve indoor air quality, boost mood and productivity, and create a more relaxing and natural environment. On Houseplant Appreciation Day, people are encouraged to acknowledge the importance of their leafy friends by learning more about their care, repotting plants that have outgrown their current homes, or even adopting new plants. It's also a perfect opportunity to share cuttings with friends, or to start an indoor garden if you haven't already. Plant shops and gardening centers often hold workshops or sales to celebrate the day, offering a chance for individuals to expand their knowledge or collection. The day is a reminder of the subtle yet profound ways in which houseplants contribute to our well-being and to the aesthetic of our living spaces, promoting a deeper connection with these quiet, yet essential, members of our households. National Cut Your Energy Costs Day. National Cut Your Energy Costs Day, observed annually on January 10th, encourages consumers to explore all the various ways to reduce energy consumption and lower their overall utility costs. It's a timely reminder coming just after the holiday season, where energy use often spikes due to lighting decorations and increased indoor activity. This day is about taking a moment to assess your own energy habits and make changes towards more efficient usage, which can lead to significant savings and a reduced environmental impact. Individuals and businesses alike are urged to consider simple yet effective measures such as switching to energy-efficient appliances, fixing leaks, adding insulation, and turning off lights and electronics when not in use. Conducting an energy audit can also be a beneficial way to identify specific areas where improvements can be made. Additionally, it's an opportunity to explore renewable energy sources like solar or wind power. National Cut Your Energy Costs Day serves as a prompt for everyone to consider the importance of energy conservation, not only for the immediate personal savings but also for the long-term benefits to the planet by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. It's a day for practical action and planning for a more energy-efficient lifestyle. National Save the Eagles Day. National Save the Eagles Day, observed annually on January 10th, is a day dedicated to the protection and conservation of eagles in the United States and around the world. The day was established to raise awareness about the plight of eagles, particularly the bald eagle, which is not only a symbol of the United States but also an integral part of many ecosystems. Despite the successful recovery of the bald eagle population following its near extinction in the mid-20th century, eagles still face threats from habitat destruction, pollution, and other human activities. On National Save the Eagles Day, conservationists, bird enthusiasts, and the general public are encouraged to learn more about eagles and the efforts being made to conserve them. Activities might include educational programs, birdwatching events, fundraising for wildlife organizations, and campaigns to promote policies that protect eagle habitats and prevent poaching. It's also a day for individuals to take action in their own lives, such as supporting eco-friendly initiatives and being mindful of how their actions can impact local wildlife. The celebration serves as a reminder of the majestic beauty of eagles, the progress made in their conservation, and the ongoing efforts required to ensure that these powerful birds continue to soar in the skies for generations to come. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.